Just egg yolk. Then breadcrumbs. I already have here. And green beans along with tilapia. For green beans, I drain. I cook this one also. Okay. Lutuin na natin ang tilapia. Lagyan na natin ng 2 tablespoon butter. Right. 3 minutes each side. Sa gulay natin, sa green beans, lutuin lang natin yung sauce. Yung sauce natin. Okay, that is our sauce. And haluin natin ang gulay. Okay guys, 3 minutes. Na-flip over ko na siya. Yan, another 3 minutes and done. Alright, it's done. Tinikman ko pala yung green beans. Sobrang sarap. Alright. Serve na natin ito para sa asawa ko to. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.